How to convert RAR to zip file in Windows. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, make sure you have winrar downloaded on your device. Then, click on Tools in here and click on Convert Archives. Click on Compressions. After you click on Compression, you'll find this kind of screen. Make sure archive format is zip. After you have done that, press on OK at the bottom. Then press on Save and then press on OK in here. After that, you will find a file that's turned into zip on your desktop, which is the front display. Another method, if you don't have winrar, what you can do is open Google. In Google, search rar to zip and click on rar to zip converter. In here, click on Select File. Then select your RAR file and press on Open. After you have done that, click on Convert at the bottom and your file will be converted. After it's converted, you can press on Download and download it. This is how to convert RAR to zip file in Windows. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.